Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add audio in Clip Studio Paint. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so to do this, we first need to go ahead and click onto animation, go to timeline, and then we need to go ahead and enable that timeline. So what I'm going to do is click on animation, timeline, and I'm just going to create a new timeline. Then from here, I'm going to go ahead and click on OK. Now if I come back to animation, timeline, we can now see enable timeline is now obviously enabled. Now the next thing we need to do is to come over to window, and then from window we need to make sure timeline is enabled, so we need to click onto that. Now you can see we've got the timeline down below. Now there's two ways to add audio from here, so we can drag and drop the audio onto here. So if I go ahead and open up my downloads, I'll just come over to my audio here, and basically, what happened here? Alright, come over here, I can just drag and drop this audio inside of here. I've actually got two of these open, I only want one. Now this isn't audio, this is my videos, my bad. Alright, here we go. Here I've got audio, so I'm going to drag and drop that. It's an MP4 file. Alright, I've got the actual correct audio MP3 file. Now I can go ahead and drag and drop it in like so. If I click out, you can see the audio is now being added to my timeline. We can also click on file, we can import, click on to audio there. So if I come back here, I'm just going to cancel that file. We've got import and import audio, find that audio track. So I'm going to go ahead and add that, and that's going to add that audio as well.